Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineers. Today I will show you how to get a domain on Sui name service and how to get a share from the $10,000 airdrop. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So for the transactions, you will need a Sui wallet. If you don't have a Sui wallet or don't know how to use it, you can watch our Sui wallet tutorial video from the cards. You can also find this video in the comments section below. After setting up your wallet, open up sns.domains, and as always, all the links will be in the description box below. And connect your Sui wallet here. You can also choose Suiet or Martian wallet. You can also find Suiet wallet tutorial and Martian wallet tutorial videos in our channel. So let's choose Sui wallet, and as you can see, I connected my wallet. So it says coinengineer.sui because I purchased the coinengineer.sui domain. Now I will show you how you can purchase your domains now. Now make sure you are on DevNet before proceeding, and you can check it here. So click on this three lines on top right corner, and as you can see, the network is Sui DevNet. After making sure you are on DevNet, if you don't have any DevNet faucet tokens, exactly in this section it will say request Sui faucet tokens. So click on this to get your Sui faucet tokens. It will give you exactly 0.05 Sui tokens. After getting your faucet tokens, now let's purchase our domain. So here you will need to search the Sui names you'd like to purchase. So I bought Coin Engineer. Now let's have a look at Coin Engineers. So as you can see, I typed down Coin Engineers and let's click on search. As you can see, coinengineers.sui is available now. So let's select the domain. By clicking on this plus button, you can increase the registration period. And as you increase the registration period, you can see the total price goes up here. Since this is on DevNet, it will be reset on a weekly basis. So it doesn't matter if you increase the registration year. So after choosing the registration period, click on buy domain, and you will need to approve the transaction from your wallet. So click on approve. And as you can see, our domain is registered. It says this domain's NFT has a random SNS character and is unique. Coinengineers.sui now resolves to your wallet address. So you can click on reveal my domain NFT and you can see our NFT, coinengineers.sui. You can see the exact date that it will expire on, and also $10,000 DevNet giveaway. So now to join the $10,000 airdrop, scroll down, and as you can see here, tweet your NFT below to enter our $10,000 DevNet giveaway. So let's click on tweet my NFT, and we will need to tweet this. I just minted my Sui domain for free on the Sui name service DevNet. You should too. They're community run and you can win $10,000. So click on tweet. And after tweeting it, you will automatically join to the $10,000 DevNet giveaway. Make sure to join our Telegram groups from the links in the description box below because we will share the latest updates and the winners once it's announced. And hopefully all of our followers will win something from this DevNet giveaway. As I said, make sure to join our Telegram channels because we will share the latest updates and the winners once it's announced. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also make sure to check out our Instagram from the links in the description box below because we share very motivational quotes, important informations, breaking news, and everything there's to know about the crypto world and business world in general. So definitely follow our Instagram along with our other social media accounts from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.